Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how we can make an interactive file. So let's open CorelDraw and now let's select our panel where we are going to be naming our file, and we keep this at 40 and this at 297. Okay, make sure that this is unlocked, keep it here, and then we I think 40 is a little too thin, make it 50 left, and this is the now let's put some elements. Now come here, let's put my logo. Okay, so this is going to be where my logo is, top right, and we give it this file a name, interactive, or we say YouTube portfolio. Okay, this is what we are going to be doing. Let's give it another line so we can enlarge the font size, and we now make it bold. Okay, I'm not changing fonts and doing the necessary decoration and things like that. We just make it very, very simple. Okay, so there's the idea here is to learn how to design. It's nothing got to do with too much of creativity. But let's use one of our colors only. Okay, give this a no outline, and this we keep it at maroon. Oh, sorry, purple. This is my YouTube portfolio, and now we will start putting different things here. Okay, so first let's get into our banners. Let's choose some banner. Okay, something that we have done recently, so that we can take those elements. Okay, the t-shirt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are our 5 pages. Okay, and we put them all here. Just leave them here. Okay, now what we do is that we size them one here. So this is where the main thing is going to be. It's not one, there are 5 behind this, 5 object selected layers. Okay, we select all of them, come here, duplicate, and make them small. Now the reason why we are doing this is that we are going to create an interactive part over here. Okay, we lock these, make it at 42. Let's say this is a page 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so these are our pages. Now let's give them, just let this one be here, and now we will work with only this. Okay, let's give them the names of all the pages. So, okay, so this is what it is. Now let's do one thing. We align all of them, press Control and align all of them to the base. And you will very soon know why I'm doing that. Okay, make sure it's on the base. And this is our last. Okay, now what we are going to do is when we come here, first come here and make this 3 mm. Okay, so this is going to be a spacing of the text from this image. 1, press Shift, 2, 3, oh sorry, Shift, click and click, and pull it down by 3 mm. Okay, so this is done. Now group them. Okay, select this one, click it, press Control and pull it down slightly. Okay, and again let's see if it's all aligned. Okay, once it is done, pull this one down slightly. Now reason we are doing this is select all of them, come to our align and distribute. If you want to know where it is, you can come your window, Dockers, align and distribute. So click here and this one will open. Okay, you come here and do click this icon once, distribute space vertical. Okay, this is done. Group them all and press E. So they all have their necessary space and they are all with their taglines. Now very simple, we don't need them together, just ungroup them fully. Okay, now there's a reason why I'm showing you. You can use it as a group also. We will do one thing, we'll group one of them and we will see what we can do with this. Remaining we'll just let it be. Now uh, now this is done. So what we are going to do here, we will take this text and make it big, let's say 24 point, and make it bold, make it left align, and we give this a name. Okay, so this is our align it to your image. Fine. So this is how your text will be aligned. Now we take our text box, make sure that it is the size of your image. Let's say we select all of them. This one, see, I'm doing everything only on the first one. Okay, so we make this 150. You know the size is a nice good fixed size. Again, left align this, and this we make our text box to 150. Okay, and center align it to this. So everything is aligned in the right way. Now this particular thing, now let's do one thing. Make this green, and make this one our green. Okay, and we make this one our blue. Okay, it's a little too flashy. Let's make it dark. Yeah, this is good, and this is also too bright. Let's work with this also. This is a good color. Okay, so this is what it is, and now we will take the text, and we just want to put some text, you know, that this is the explanation of this artwork, how it was created and things like that. So we come here, go on to loremipsum.io. It will give you the lorem ipsum generator. Just copy this, come here, click on this and paste once. Select this and say align, pause, justify. Press enter twice, paste it again. Now let's say that I wanted pointer. Now what I did, so here these are your pointers. Got it? So these two we want in pointers, and we are done. Complete. Now, yeah, one more very important thing. Come here. We use this. This is my end of the page, and we use the same purple. Okay, that's here. You can select your color from here also. So we use the CMYK one. Let's not do that. Let's work with your RGB purple. Okay, same we do for this also. Let's not work with different colors. We are working on RGB. Let's work on RGB. Okay, don't take two different things, otherwise everything you keep to CMYK. So that's very important. We put this line here and give it a no fill, no outline, and we give this a gradient. Okay, this is a gradient, and now we will put a number here. So let our number be page 1. Okay, let's make it in. Again, let's make page 1 in bold. We know that this is, and we align it to this. Let's put this a little down. Yeah, this is a good position, and make sure that this is center aligned. Okay, so all our elements are in place. Great, to fit. Okay, and now this is not needed. We remove this. So this is complete. This is our whole layout. Now what you do is just duplicate the page multiple times. Duplicate page, copy layers, duplicate page, copy layers, duplicate page, copy layers, duplicate page, copy layers. Okay, so this is your pages that are made. So we have 5 pages and 5 artworks. Now very strategically, shift page down and delete the rest. Okay, in this one just delete the rest. 1, 2, shift page down, delete this. Okay, blazing beauty, shift page down, delete the rest. This one, delete this, and textile, shift page down and delete the, that's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now this is jersey design. This is going to be aqua athlete. Okay, photo manipulation in 15. So all our pages are done. Now once our layout is done, now the most important thing is that how we are going to create our links. Okay, that is what this whole thing is for. So click here. Okay, and then there is this one thing which you can come here, toolbars and internet. Okay, so this internet, you see something disappeared from here, so that has to be on. So click on internet, you get link. Okay, so the whole thing opens. So click here, first one, link should be link only. Don't change this. This should be page 1. Okay, and you want to see what happens? Yeah, you see this? This is what happens. Okay, now this also we do on link page 1. Let's do one thing. Let's group this. Let's see what happens. Group this link page 2. You see that it's together. So if you want this only to be clickable or this only or this whole thing, so it's your call. Okay. If you don't want this, then say we just come here, group both of them. Okay. So it all goes to link and then you do page 1. Okay. So let's group them. Come on. Let's group them link page 3 and group them link page 4 and group them link page 5. So what is the benefit of this? The person clicks here or the image, it will go to the necessary page. Okay. Now once that is done, what we are going to do is we come here, copy, select this, delete, paste. It's not we can't do this on the creation thing because there were no 5 pages that existed. It was a single page. Okay. So you need your 5 pages to make this sure that it comes alive. Okay. Now this is what it is. Now let's say that on each and every one of these, I want that when the person clicks on this text or this image, so I'm going to group them also. Okay, it should go to the my YouTube page where they can see this particular art video, that where I have created this and what I have done. Okay, so it's not that a person only wants to go to the page, they can also click on it and go and see the whole video. Okay, so click on this, group it again. Now we go to my channel. We go to my channel and now this is the link. So get shareable link. Come on YouTube or on in CorelDraw. Come here and where link is mentioned now, just paste this hyperlink and press enter. So this whole thing becomes your link. Okay, make sure if you're this can be done for websites also. So let's say Creative Thinkers Hub, I want to take this image and I want to connect it to my website. I can do that, but I have to make sure that you write https / twice and then your www.creativethinkershub.in. Okay, so do that later on. So this is how it's going to do. Now let's put the second one, group both of them, and we come here, take this hyperlink, get shareable link, and we paste it in the link part and press enter. Okay, that way you can do it for all of them. I'm not going to show you all that. Okay, now what we are going to do is that come here and give this an opacity. So let's say uniform opacity and at 70%. So the person knows that you're on that page. Okay, do that for the remaining pages. Let's keep it simple. Let's make it 50. Let's not get into values. It's taking away from the time. Okay, make this also 50. Let it all be 50. 50 is good enough. Okay, so come here, make this also 50. Okay, page 4, click 50. Okay, and last page 5. So you know that you're on that page and this is what it is. Okay, so now our whole thing is complete. We are going to do interactive only for these two, where they'll be going to an external link where all this is internal and it will work fine. Okay, now sorry, page numbers are remaining. So come here, make this 2, make this 3, make this 4, and now we make this 5. Okay, so our whole PDF is complete. Cool. Now this can be when I export this, this whole thing could be taken and you could use it in a book also, book design, where you could do chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So your this interactive side will have only the names of the chapters, and let this go to directly page 50, or chapter 2 go to page 50, chapter 3 go to page 80, and so on and so forth. So that is very much possible. All your number of pages, once you click your your number of pages, so let's say you have 200 pages, 200 will come here. All you need to do is just scroll down and go to the relevant page. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so as you can see, our 5 pages and our links of the 2 videos are all mentioned here. Now this is the most important part. Save this artwork, Control S. Okay, we say interactive PDF design. Okay, interactive PDF design. I say save. So this is separate. Okay, this has got nothing to do with our PDF. This is just saving our file. Now you say Control Shift S, go to desktop. We shall see here, come to PDF and say save. Come in documents and make sure that include hyperlink is ticked. It's very important. It's a 2 issues. that fall outside the page, document contains small fonts, fine, that's not a problem. Okay, and so this is what it is. We minimize this and we now come to our file. Say open with Adobe Acrobat, say okay, and our interactive PDF is ready. Okay, so let's come to a good viewing point. Yeah, now it says PDF Maker, fine, that doesn't matter. Now I come to page 2, it goes to page 2, 3, 4. Can you see? So it's going to page 5, page 4, page 3. So it's going to directly go to the necessary page. Okay, so that's how this works. Okay, and this is complete. Now I want to come here, and once I click on this, it will give me this thing. So say allow. Immediately it will go on to YouTube. I welcome you all open the Aqua Athlete artwork. Okay, this is done. Let's go to page 1. It will open the. Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Okay, so this is and sure that you are going outside the outer box. Works, and this is the how your interactive PDF works. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.